Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find additional settings. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see, here we've got some options connected with the date, time and the time zone. As you can see right now we are using automatic option to set the time and all of other options. So let's first of all turn off both, actually all of them, not both. And then we can freely tap on date and just by swiping change the date. Tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just by swiping, and it will be immediately applied. We can select the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region. And right here we've got the list of all regions, so simply find yours and tap on it, for example this one. And again it will be immediately applied, and of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. We can also customize the time format. It can be automatic one, so based on the system language, or we can choose from 24-hour or 12-hour one. So just tap on the option, and there we've got the dual clock. Basically, you can turn it on and off just by using the switcher, and the whole idea of this option is that your device will display two different clocks. The first one with the time from the place of your usual residence, and the second clock from any other place in the world of your choice. So that was the whole customization of dated time, and of course we can go back to all previous settings, so the automatic options, just by using those switchers. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.